Meaning of dry ski slope.
Dry ski slope.
Dry ski slope.
Dry ski slope.
Dry ski slope. A dry ski slope is a skiing surface made of plastic or synthetic material that mimics the texture of snow. Skiers and snowboarders can practice on the surface as an alternative to a traditional snow-covered mountain. Dry ski slopes are often found in areas without natural snow, or as a way to extend the ski season in areas where snowfall is limited. They are also used for ski training and competitions. While the experience is not quite the same as skiing on real snow, dry ski slopes can still provide a challenging and enjoyable environment for winter sports enthusiasts.